Have you ever wondered how to filter out elements from an array in JavaScript? Well, the filter method is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. The filter method in JavaScript creates a new array with all elements that pass the test implemented by the provided function. It does not change the original array. The syntax for the filter method looks like this. The filter function is called on an array and takes in a function as an argument. This argument function should return either true or false. The function is applied to each element in the array in turn. If the function returns true for a particular element, that element gets included in the new array. If it returns false, the element is left out. The function you pass into the filter method gets 3 parameters: the current element being processed, the index of the current element, and the array filter was called upon. Output. Let's consider an example. Suppose you have an array of numbers and you want to filter out only the even numbers. Here's how you can do it using the filter method. The filter method iterates over each number in the array, checks if the number is even, and if so, includes it in the new array. The result is a new array with just the even numbers. Output. Scene script. But what if you want to filter strings? Say you have an array of names and you want to select only those that start with A. The filter method can handle that too. The filter method can even work with arrays of objects. Suppose you have an array of person objects and you want to filter out only those who are over 30. Here's how. Output. The filter method is a powerful tool for selecting specific elements from an array based on custom criteria. It provides a concise syntax for selecting elements based on a given condition without the need for explicit iteration. It does not mutate the original array. Instead, it creates a new array with the filtered elements, leaving the original array unchanged. The filter method promotes a functional programming style by allowing you to apply a predicate function to each element of an array, which can lead to cleaner and more declarative code. And often, using filter results in more readable code compared to traditional loop constructs, especially for simple filtering conditions. However, while filter provides a convenient way to select elements from an array, it may introduce a performance overhead compared to traditional loops, especially for large arrays or complex filtering conditions. And in some cases, using filter may not be the most appropriate choice, especially if the filtering logic is complex or if side effects are involved. So there you have it. The filter method in JavaScript is a powerful tool for filtering elements from an array based on any criteria you provide. It's easy to use, flexible, and can greatly simplify your code. Remember, the key is to provide a function that returns true for elements you want to include, and false for those you want to exclude. Happy coding!